Is it time to buy or sell Disney stock? In this video, we will delve into the intricacies of Disney. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 15th of September, 2025, and we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 9th of September, 2025, our system has ranked Disney as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.87. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock experienced a loss of 1.49%. This equates to an average loss of 0.30% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a declining trend in the short term, and indications suggest that further decline may occur within this trend. The analysis of the recent 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 4.21% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 8.58% to a decrease of 2.56%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 16.37%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decrease of 9.55% and an increase of 33.19% over the coming year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $104.58 and $153.99. Our latest daily update for Disney includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for Disney. The Disney stock price experienced a decrease of nearly 0.3% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 15th of September, 2025. The price dropped from $115.96 to $115.62. Throughout that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.5%, reaching a low of $115 and a high of $116.75. Over the past 10 days, the price has declined in 7 of those days, with a total decrease of 2.33% during this period. Notably, the trading volume also fell on the last day, which is often seen as a positive indicator, as volume typically follows stock price movements. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 2 million shares, resulting in a total of 6 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $697,810,000. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $124.69, while the lowest was $80.10. Currently, the price stands 7.27%, or $9.07, below the 52-week high, and 43.05%, or $87.40, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2021, when the price peaked at $203.02. Disney is taking steps to monetize its extensive intellectual property in innovative ways. The company has entered into an agreement with Webtoon to develop a digital comics platform that will feature more than 35,000 comics from Marvel, Star Wars, and other Disney franchises. This initiative not only broadens content distribution, but also creates new, cost-effective revenue streams and enhances fan engagement. While it may provide a modest boost to short-term revenue, it holds significant potential for long-term recurring monetization and opportunities for cross-promotion with streaming services and theme parks. At the same time, Disney's direct-to-consumer strategy is gaining momentum, as evidenced by a growth in subscribers and price increases that are beginning to restore entertainment margins. This development contributes to near-term profitability and strengthens the outlook for future earnings. However, there are challenges to consider. The company faces significant risks, including multiple investigations that allege violations of the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act, or COPPA, related to children's data on YouTube. These issues expose Disney to potential fines legal expenses, and reputational harm, which could pressure the stock in the short term. Additionally, recent reports highlighting a decline in box office performance for Marvel films also hinder theatrical revenue and franchise momentum. In summary, anticipate short-term volatility due to legal and content challenges, but there is medium to long-term potential for growth if direct-to-consumer margins continue to improve and if the new digital comics initiative, along with other intellectual property strategies, leads to sustainable monetization. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 11th of August 2025, it was reported that Stephens assigned a buy grade to DIS alongside a hold action. On the same day, Jefferies also rated DIS with a hold grade and a hold action. That day, Keefe, Bruyette, and Woods provided DIS with a market perform grade, maintaining a hold action. Similarly, Raymond James rated DIS as neutral, also with a hold action. Finally, Chardon Capital gave DIS a buy grade, paired with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Disney stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Disney. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Disney stock shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two averages, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance can be expected around the levels of $116.94 and $117.02. A breakout above either of these points would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, August 22, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 2.73%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated by the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 25 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 90 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 78 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Disney. Disney finds support from accumulated volume at $115.17. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and with strong liquidity, the associated risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.75, representing a change of 1.52%. In the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 1.92%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Disney, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 13th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $1.03. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Disney. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Disney is at $118.32. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Disney encounters its first support level at $115.17. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Disney from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 25th of August, 2025, Coleman Sonia L. conducted an insider sale of 1,971 shares of Disney common stock. On the 17th of July, 2025, Coleman Sonia L. conducted an insider purchase of 1,167 shares of Disney common stock. On the 17th of July, 2025, Coleman Sonia L. also conducted an insider sale of 1,167 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 17th of July, 2025, Coleman Sonia L. conducted another insider sale of 419 shares of Disney common stock. On the 17th of July, 2025, Woodford Brent conducted an insider purchase of 1,147 shares of Disney common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 81.018. Overall, insiders purchased 761,863 shares and sold 62,677 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Disney stock a good buy? Disney currently exhibits several negative indicators and is on a downward trend, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 16th of September, we anticipate Disney will open higher by approximately 16 cents and begin trading at $115.79. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.